Hey guys, it's Eric from Worship the King. I'm here to show you Reckless Love. I'm going to do it in my own version, but I have very simple versions of this in the links below. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and like the channel. And always, you're invited to join me at worshiptheking.com to become an online student. I can show you how to play everything I'm doing in this video, and I even break it down to make it simple for you. But here's my version, just a very simple acoustic version of Reckless Love. Before I spoke a word, you were singing over me. You have been so, so good to me. Before I took a breath, you breathed your life in. You have been so, so kind to me. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love, God. Oh, it chases me down, fights till I'm found, leaves the 99. I couldn't earn it, I don't deserve it. Still you gave yourself away. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Oh, I was your foe, your love fought for me. You have been so, so good to me. When I felt no worth, you paid it all for me. You have been so, so kind. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Oh, it chases me down, fights till I'm found, leaves the 99. And I couldn't earn it, I don't deserve it. Still you gave your life to me. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. There's no shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. There's no wall you won't kick down, lie you won't tear down, coming after me. Oh, there's no shadow you won't light up, a mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. There's no wall you won't kick down, lie you won't tear down, coming after me. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Oh, it chases me down, fights till I'm found, leaves the 99. I couldn't earn it, and I don't deserve it. Still you gave yourself away. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Oh. All right, guys. A great song, an arrangement that could easily be done if you could just learn a few picking patterns and a couple strumming patterns. And I can teach you all that. I'm going to put links in the description for each one of these videos that I follow up in this series for Reckless Love. And I'm inviting you to join me anytime at worshiptheking.com. Download some free stuff. Say hi, stop by, let me know what you want to learn next. And always remember, you are invited to become a Worship the King member at any time. You can get access to all of the foundational lessons for learning to play worship guitar and much more as we grow. God bless you guys.